Yeah, so the things you'll be needing in here is your pen drive, the power ISO, and the ISO file of the Windows in which you're about to install. So let's say Windows 10 ISO file, Windows 7, whatever Windows you're about to install, Linux, whatever operating system you're about to install, you need the ISO file. So you have to get your pen drive. So first of all, you have to open your power ISO. Install your power ISO and open it. Then click on create bootable USB drive. Create bootable USB drive. Create bootable USB drive. So after you have clicked on it, you just click on the yes so that it accepts the administrators. Then you realize in here a tab will come, source image file. So the source image file, this is where you select the ISO file of the operating system, whether Windows, Linux. So you just click on it, then you select the ISO file. So in here I have my Windows 10 ISO file, Ubuntu, but I'm using Windows 10. I'll select Windows 10 ISO file, then you click on open. Then you realize the destination USB, the pen drive has already been selected. Okay, so I'll just click on start, then yes. Okay, so that's it. You just have to wait till everything is done. Then your pen drive is now bootable. Yeah, you can just insert it into your into your laptop for your installation of your Windows. Yes, it's as easy. So you just have to wait. So I'll be dropping the link for the power ISO downloads in the description. Yeah, in the description below. Thank you. And please, for the Windows, any Windows that operating system that you want to download, whether Windows 10 or whatever, you can go onto my Microsoft official website and download it. Yeah, when it comes to Ubuntu, go to your official website. Linux, go to the official website and download it. Okay, thank you.